President of the State of Palestine, President Mahmoud Abbas, has decided to award Ambassador Alexander Stutzman, the European Union representative to Palestine, the Star of Jerusalem, of the Order of Jerusalem, in recognition of his distinguished contribution to fostering friendship and cooperation between the European Union and Palestine, and in appreciation of his dedicated efforts in supporting the Palestinian people and their just cause for freedom and independence.